The Iran war could crush the U.S. housing market. This was the article that my client sent me earlier today, and we had a conversation, and I talked to them about the same thing I've been talking about with every client. Now, rates have moved higher, almost 0.5% since the Iran war, and that obviously is, frustrating for a lot of buyers, and I get it. But right now, we're still seeing 3, 4, 5, sometimes even more offers, on each property in Illinois, and we are in a very kind of weird time. We're in March, end of March. We have a lot of people are in spring break. You have everything going on in Iran. And I told my client, you were up against 5 or 6 offers. If the rates were 5.5% and we were in the first or second week of April, maybe you have 10 or 15 offers. You have to look at these times right now as opportunities. And inventory is still so incredibly low. Buyers are still out there. They're active. Weather's getting nicer. Today it's around 70 degrees. We're seeing a lot of activity, and I have a lot of buyers getting offers accepted. So yes, it's frustrating, and the news out there and all the noise and everything that's out there is really frustrating, but the housing market is not crashing. That's the most important thing. You got to be smart. You got to take advantage of these moments, because once everyone gets back from spring break and we get out of March and we're in April and the weather's nice and everyone's re-engaged and maybe the war is over and mortgage rates start to come down again, do you want to be competing with everyone, or do you want to catch it when maybe the market's a little bit on its heels and articles like this are floating around? Articles like this, when you go in and read this article, there's very little data in there and very little facts. So be smart about it. Don't put your head in the sand, but also be very smart and understand what really is going on right now.